So, what's the secret of a great corporate day out? At the Severn Valley Railway, there's no secret.
What a privilege, being up there with the driver, getting to blow the whistle, shovel coal, heat of the boiler. It was absolutely fantastic.
And sharing the thrills of the footplate is just the beginning. On guided tours of our workshop, your guests can see skills that haven't changed in more than a century. On board a vintage carriage, you'll entertain clients, customers or team members, your own privately chartered train, and a taste of luxury from the golden age. As incentives for your staff, there are family travel and dining tickets to experience the steam, the noise, the joy of heritage rail. Get up close to giants of steam at our breathtaking visitor centre. Then get down to business in a venue that's perfect for away days and retreats, for meeting, training, celebrating. And through the Severn Valley Railway's media channels, we'll highlight your company to more than 250,000 annual visitors.
The advantage of partnering with the SVR is really the positive association of being with the most prestigious tourist destination in the county.
We've been partners with the railway now for over 5 years, and it was probably one of the best decisions we actually made. It's always a very easy sell to both staff and customers.
This is a truly rare and unique opportunity. There is no other corporate entertainment we can think of that competes or compares to this. And my clients, they've been blown away.
Imagine being able to spend 5 hours with your customers and they've got smiles on their faces for the whole time.
I would say to anybody, just go for it. The PR value, the satisfaction, everything.
If you have an opportunity to get involved with Severn Valley Railway, just do it.
When can we come back again is the main reaction that we get from people who visit us.
The Severn Valley Railway. Unique, memorable, inspiring.